Welcome back to another video. So in this video I will tell you how to, many of the people start using antenna design software, this CST Studio, but it's quite illegal to use the pirated software. So this is a video that show you how to download the student version. The student version is quite free, that provided by the software vendor itself to promote their software usage. So I will tell you how to start with download the CST Studio software from their official website. So first of all, you should go to this particular website. So this is actually the official website of CST Studio. I will post this link in the description. If you want, you can click on this link. So once you get into this link, there is an option to download CST Studio Learning Edition. So then you need to click on this particular link. Okay, so this is the website. So and just accept the terms and conditions. So you will get once you get into once you click on this download for free, this is a CST Studio Learning Edition, it leads to the next site where you should officially sign up. You need to use your email ID or username, then give the password, and you need to log in. So okay, so this, if you are using this website the first time, then you should do sign up, that you should provide your basic details and create a password, then you will get verification on your email. So with that you can able to sign in. So once you sign in, you leads to this particular website. So as you can see here, the learning edition of software is free of charge for personal as well as educational use. So and these products may not be used for commercial use. So if you are doing it for study purpose or personal research purpose, then you can very well use this students version across the campus or institutions. So this is the thing, and you can able to do the download from this particular website. So there are few other things are given here, like apart from that, antenna magnets, it's another tool that is provided by the same vendor. So in the download session you can see the softwares are available. So for us it is CST Studio Learning Edition. So you need to visit the site, then choose the edition, and you need to download. This is the thing. So I'm going to click on the software download site. Go to free download, and then you should click on simulate CST. Then they will ask you the agreement. Click OK, yes. Then here you have to select the versions. So we have versions from 2022 to 2026. I go with the latest version, and the service packs are available. So you can go with service pack 4 if you want, it's fine. And that's it. What about gold? Yeah, now you click on the golden version, not service pack 4. You go with the golden because the size matters. Service pack, you can see you have 112 MB, which is not the software package. So choose the golden. So you can able to see it's 1.5 GB, and that's what you, then there is a download button over here. So you can click on the download. So you can see once you click on the download, it start downloading. So you can see more options. Open download page. So now you can see that it's 1.5 GB and it is officially downloading, and after that you can go for the installation. So I will make another video that how to proceed with the installation. If you want any guidance in installation, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. We will see further videos related to antenna designs and its required software details. Thank you so much.